Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do my mini podcast, which is this is the first episode of my series, and I wanna talk everything that I want, but anything in this mini podcast with my friends and my guests. So today, this is my friend Nabil and Fendira, which is we are gonna talk about World Cup 2022 Qatar. But first of all, let's introduce yourself, guys.
Start from you or me?
Yeah.
Okay, Fendira, please
Thank
introduce
you for
yourself.
our time.
Okay.
I'm Fendiarus Dewangga. You can call me Fendira. Yeah, I am a football enthusiast.
Football
And-
enthusiast, guys.
Yeah, and as a footballer.
And the player.
Yeah.
That's kind of great thing of. Okay, how about you, Nabil? Please
Okay.
introduce yourself.
Before of all, thank you, Bro Faza, because invite me
My pleasure.
to this place, to the
My
beautiful,
pleasure.
beautiful place, beautiful
My
chance.
pleasure. This is my.
My name is Nabil Dafarik, and I am football lovers
Football lovers.
since I 7 years old, maybe.
7 years old.
Yeah, until now, and maybe until I'm die.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow, so divine, so divine, so divine. Before we start to talk about the World Cup, let's
Okay.
just talking about the football itself. Okay, why you guys love football? What's the reason? Since you were 7,
Yeah.
since you was born.
Yeah.
Right.
It's too early.
That's
Too
okay.
early.
Okay. What is your reason why you love
From you.
Okay. I think it's a simple reason.
Simple reason.
Actually, I have 100 reason to explain it,
Okay.
but
Of course.
I think it's too long. If I say it one by one.
Mini podcast, guys.
Mini podcast. Okay. The reason is I love football because the way it plays,
The way it
the
plays.
tactics, strategy, mind, and skills, the goals, awards like best goal, best assist, and tournament like World Cup or
Yup.
Champions League,
Yep.
and the others that make
The
me
legend. Okay.
feel, oh, this is a beautiful sport I have.
Wow. There's a lot of sport and he love it so much. How about you, Vendira? What is your reason why you love football since you were born?
For me, people love football for many reasons.
So many
Yeah,
reasons. Of course, so many reasons.
It's not just a sport.
Yep.
It's not just kicking the ball.
Of
Okay.
course.
It's a cultural phenomenon.
Yeah, got it.
Personally,
Yes, of course.
I like football because of Messi.
Ah.
The way Messi
Highlighted, guys.
uh,
Messi.
Disclaimer: he is a Messi fan since he was born.
Before he was born. You love Messi so much. Okay, what is the other reason? The other reason why you love football?
Football.
So many things in here, right?
Overall, football.
Euphoria maybe.
Offer euphoria.
The euphoria.
I agree with you.
The news.
Euphoria.
The
The art of football is
dramatically
Dramatic
things. Everything.
Exactly.
The moment. You love the moment. I don't know.
Football have too many rich history
A lot.
from the
Yep.
legendary player.
Oh, yeah.
Colin Palmer.
Okay. It's
And
been
yeah.
it's been a lot of years football exists in this world,
Yes,
and
of
there's a
course.
lot of history in here. But I know I can conclude that there is a lot of blood, sweat, and tears in here.
Yeah.
If it's your the dramatic things, the goal, the moment. There is the blood, sweat, and tears. A lot of things in here. So
That's why we.
that's why
That's what we
why
love. That's what.
Yeah.
Not just you. That's why we love.
I am not the enthusiast of football things, but I know that football is the art itself. I know it's everything
Yeah.
in here, a lot of things. Okay, so football is for me is kinda art maybe.
Magic.
Yeah.
Football is
Magic.
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 Yes, I can say
Fantastic
it.
Magic. It's not just the sport, but the art, the magic, etc. Okay, Magus. So let's just start in World Cup. Okay,
Alright.
World Cup
I like it.
2022. Okay,
Qatar.
right?
Yeah.
That's a beautiful thing. A beautiful thing exists in this world. Is World Cup. I know.
Yeah.
I know it. So guys, what do you think about the World Cup itself? Like the meaning of World Cup. The meaning of World Cup. You know, like work. You everything have a reason why they love football, and of course they have the meaning of football itself and also the World Cup.
Yeah. I think World Cup. It's the biggest tournament.
The biggest
Yeah.
tournament.
In football
Yep.
in this world,
Yep.
and maybe every 4 years. One.
Every 4 years. Okay.
Yeah. And
4 years once. Okay.
I always love World Cup because in World Cup always have a good story,
Yeah.
have a good
Of course.
powder,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
maybe a fall and up and down and drama, the art and the champion
Yeah.
euphoria, and we know different country
Yeah.
has been the champion
Yeah.
of the World Cup, and World Cup is, if football the magic and sport,
Yeah.
I think World Cup is magic of football.
Wow. 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 The highest magic, the highest state of football is the World Cup itself,
Yeah.
guys. So how about you? How about you, Fendira? World Cup, what is your meaning?
In my opinion,
Yep.
the World Cup is a prestigious tournament. Of
Prestigious.
course, organized by FIFA.
Yeah.
Ah,
Don't
FIFA.
forget that, guys.
Don't forget FIFA,
Yeah.
guys.
Don't forget FIFA. Okay.
Okay. The World Cup take the attention of the billion.
people.
I know
Yes.
it. I know it. You know how internet boom because of Qatar
Always be the trending.
yeah
Trending topic.
the trending. Okay,
World Cup may it's
attention. Okay, I know how big
The attention. And the World Cup represent of celebration of the beautiful view.
Okay.
I know.
I know.
Every match in World Cup is a
every
beautiful
match.
match.
Yes.
Okay. So it's kinda the pack of beautiful match. Okay.
Yeah.
A lot of match in here, and everyone, each one is the beautiful one. Okay.
That is World Cup, guys.
I really love it. I really love it. I really love it. This topic, guys.
Incredible tournament.
This is my first episode in this series, but I really love it. I really love it. Okay. A lot of beautiful matches. A lot of beautiful. Each one is beautiful. But what is your favorite one?
Favorite one. Favorite match
The
from
most favorite.
World Cup
Yeah,
2022.
of course.
For me, favorite match. It happens in the quarterfinals
Yeah.
between Portugal versus Morocco.
The score?
The score is 1-0 for Morocco win.
Please tell me your moment that you highlighted.
Yeah, because after Portugal go home or defeated by Morocco, Morocco win and go to the semi-final.
Yep.
They happen it first time in their history.
Okay.
First time Morocco,
Okay.
the country that underdog.
Okay. The underrated.
I
Okay.
think it's so magical because they have beating the country like Portugal.
The superior.
Ronaldo in there. Oh, Ronaldo was crying, man.
Yeah.
Ronaldo was crying. And the moment
Kind of
is
dangerous, right?
beautiful goal too
Oh,
from the player Youssef and Nesri. Incredible jumping
okay,
into
I
the
know
sky.
it. I know it. A lot of reason. I know it. A lot of reason, but that too. I know. I love it. How about you? Your favorite?
As a Messi fans.
Yep. Oh, Messi.
As a Messi
Forget
fan,
that, guys. Messi
don't
fan.
forget he is a Messi fanboy.
My favorite match in World Cup 2020.
Yep. Indonesia.
No.
Don't talk dirty about my country. Okay, next. Okay.
Are we dreaming? Oh, no.
No. Okay,
Keep going.
keep going. Just explain us.
Um, Argentina versus Netherlands.
Okay.
It happened in
Oh,
quarter
Argentina.
final.
Quarterfinal too.
Ah.
Yes, I know it.
Wow.
What a moment that make incredible.
Yeah,
Make-
your highlighted moment.
That match is so dramatic.
intense too.
Oh,
Yes.
so drama. I'm sorry guys, I didn't watch it. So please explain. Just explain for me. Just
Yes,
explain.
that's why we came here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's why we came here.
Thank you.
We sharing, we talking about World Cup. We share the experience.
That's is the mini podcast of my channel. Okay. How about the Argentina versus the
The
Netherlands? I know you have the many reasons too. Okay, but don't tell all of
Yeah. I know.
because I didn't watch it. So, I mean, the next one is your favorite goal moment. There is a lot of
Iconic
There is-
moment.
Iconic.
A goal.
The goal itself.
Oh, the goal.
You know, there is a lot of goal
Yeah, I know.
that happen, right?
A lot of beautiful goals.
Yeah.
For me, iconic goals, beautiful goals. Number one for me in that World Cup is Richarlison.
Okay.
The match between Brazil versus Serbia. In that match, Richarlison made a goal with overhead kick.
Yup.
Incredible. Boom and wow. That is
No.
so genius.
Yeah.
Beautiful skill, beautiful move, and I think maybe
Really,
One of the
really,
best goals. One of the best
really,
goals.
really dramatic.
Yeah.
Really, the humorous.
and the supporter
Wow. Wow. I know.
number one.
I imagine it. How about you, Medira? How about you? Your favorite goal moment, is it from Messi again?
Of course.
You love Messi.
We
so
already
much.
know it.
Okay.
What a match!
The
Which
match
one?
is Argentina versus Mexico.
Argentina and Mexico.
Versus
Argentina
Mexico.
versus Mexico.
In
Wow.
the match, Messi.
In a group phase, right?
Yeah.
Oh, in a group.
In the match, Messi make the goal.
Yeah, you made it. You made it. Okay.
Yeah. In that position, situation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Itu
Difficult position.
Difficult position.
and beautiful shoot.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, and then make a score for Argentina
Mm.
because they have lost before against Saudi Arabia. I remember it.
Okay. So is it Messi is the savior or not? The savior.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Messi is the savior of the match.
Xavier.
The hero of Argentina.
And
Of
this
course.
match, Messi best player of the match.
Wow. Wow.
POTM.
That's why you love it. You love him.
Oh, Messi is good player, bro.
So okay, the beautiful match, the beautiful goal, a lot of it. Okay, a lot of in World Cup 2022 Qatar. A lot of euphoria too,
Yes.
and a lot of moment, good things, bad things. Okay.
Yeah.
And I really like it because it produces a lot of meme. So I really love it. So the iconic that you never forget about this
Uh-huh.
whole World Cup 2022 Qatar. What is your iconic, never forget moment?
Iconic moment from me.
Wait, I'll start from you, Andy,
Okay.
because I know I insisted there is a correlation between you and Messi and the World Cup itself. So I know. Please tell me your iconic, never forget.
It's interesting, bro.
moment.
It's interesting.
It's so interesting.
My iconic moment in World Cup 2022.
Yep.
It's Messi again.
Okay.
Messi.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened? What happened?
What happened with Messi? What happened with Messi? The iconic moment.
Engagement Argentina versus Saudi.
Saudi. Okay.
Yeah.
Arab Arab Saudi
Yeah.
supporter counting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I know.
He does it. I know the name.
Taunting Messi.
Counting
Okay.
Messi.
Because Argentina have lost.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Argentina.
Yeah. Okay. So what happened in that? What happened?
What they do to Messi?
What they do?
Where is Messi? Where is Messi?
yeah.
Yeah, that's
There's
counting.
meme like that, right?
Yeah. I really know it. I
Where's
really know
Messi?
it.
Where's Messi?
I really know it.
But they already win.
Have you imagined how Fendira think like, what are you doing with my Messi? How dare you do it?
But
with
they
my
prove it
Messi?
all.
Yeah,
Argentina
okay,
have
okay. But-
winner.
Okay, but the Messi prove it, right?
Yeah.
Prove it. He proved that he is worth it, right? Like Messi is the kind of hero of Argentina.
Oh, he's a legend, bro.
Even the taunting him.
That's no problem. Messi the best player of the tournament.
Best player of World Cup.
Oh, so there is a award
Yes.
after the World Cup
Yeah.
2022.
And Saudi Arabia is they have to go home. They have failed to go to Passion Pass. Is it a karma, right?
Karma. Okay, so watch yourself before you do
Karma.
something.
And he is so happy.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Really? I know if I know. Wait a minute. This is a minute podcast. If we if we do it longer than this, it's not the minute podcast anymore. So can you just the last question before we end it? The last question. In 3 seconds, please tell me your favorite player of this World Cup 2020. Okay, let you just think. Let me, okay.
Okay.
In 3 seconds, okay.
Okay.
Your favorite player of World Cup 2020. 3, 2, 1.
Kylian
Messi.
Mbappe.
Messi beating Kylian Mbappe in the
I know. Messi beating Kylian Mbappe in the final. But Kylian Mbappe is so genius player. He's a young player, and he's got award Young Players Award in World Cup 2022.
Okay, but winner is the
The
winner.
winner is Messi.
Winner
I
is
know.
winner. Okay.
He made hat trick in final game. Kylian Mbappe. Phenomenal.
But the winner is the winner.
Yeah,
Right, Fabiola?
yeah.
The winner is winner. I think there's gonna be second episode or which episode that I will tell you about the Messi itself. But this is the different episode. Okay, so let's just make a conclusion about this. I think friends, the football is art.
Yeah.
Okay,
Of course.
football is art, right? And the art needs a lot of blood, sweat, and tears.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that?
Yeah. I am.
So the World Cup 2024 and 22, sorry,
22.
is the divine art of football.
Of course, the best World Cup.
The best World Cup
The
I've ever
best-
seen.
Wait a minute. Best
World Cup I've ever seen.
ever.
Ever in this world.
I know 2022 is a COVID-19 moment, right?
Hmm?
But that is the best in the history.
The best. It's so elegant
Well,
and
Dramatic.
dramatic.
Okay. Before we end, I know the conclusion. Okay. Divine football is the art. Okay, and the World Cup 2022 Qatar is the divine art of football. So, three word for World Cup 2024 before I cut it.
Incredible.
Incredible, Fendi. Fantastic,
Absolutely amazing.
amazing, mesmerizing.
Going to be crazy. Crazy.
Gonna be crazy. Okay, and last one is
Beats.
wait a minute.
Greatest. Greatest.
Greatest ever. Okay. 6 word means of World Cup 2022 that I feel I'm embarrassed that I didn't watch it, but I know the news. Okay, so I'm sorry guys. This is the mini podcast.
Oh,
so,
it's okay.
So I wanna
Thanks a
talk
lot, bro.
you
Thanks a lot.
in 1 or 2 hours, but my friends like.
I was ready. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30
My
minutes.
friends touch me. If you made a channel, don't do it like 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, let's just make a quarter. Okay, and accept.
Yeah.
And I'm so sorry that
It's okay, it's okay.
That's just
I'm God
15
bless.
minutes. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching us. Stay tuned in here. Thank you for your opportunity and see you in the next.
See you
episode.
next time.
See ya.
We will
See ya.
come back again. I
Okay,
hope.
talking about Messi. Bye.